So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this 4-pack of these 1-foot little tracks here. Check these things out. This is a very strong aluminum track that would mount to a trailer in the bed of a truck, and you would haul like lawnmowers, motorcycles, or like me, I'm going to haul boats and kayaks, and I'm going to put them on the like bottom of my trailer. I've got a pull behind kayak trailer, and I want some good kind of tie down spots. These have thousands of pounds of braking strength, and it's a pretty genius idea how they put these things together. Let me just show you real quick. So you have the actual little hooks right here, and they're on this spring. You see how it's kind of spring loaded? What you're going to do is stick this hook circle down in there like that, locks in, and then that piece locks in right there. It can't move, it can't go that way, but this will twist. You can hook onto it, you can clip a carabiner on it, and you can put as many of these as you want on here. I'm just going to do 2 per each one. And when you want to move them, turn them to the side like this, and check out how I can slide it up and down. Then when you get where you need to be, just drop it into place. And then one thing that you will need to get your own screws. I don't have any screws with these. You're going to need a drill and your own screws. I've got these tapered screws right here. I wish they would have included some screws with it, but if you've got any type of tapered screw, that's how it goes down in there like that. I went ahead, I mounted a couple of these to my trailer, and then I'll show a tie going through them like a cam strap and going around a kayak, because I was very impressed on the strength of these on the trailer, and it was very simple to install. It was easy to put on there, and then when you take the hooks off, it kind of is like hidden away. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 1-foot, metal tracks. See y'all in the next video.